What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lisa, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this look. It is kind of a version of what I'm going to be wearing for my friend Monica's wedding in Michigan next week, and I just kind of wanted to test out some stuff. The only things I'm going to tell you that are different, and I do say this later on also, are the lashes are definitely not going to be this big. I just wanted to do this because I'm filming a mukbang after this, which it was already up if you want to go see it. And then the eyeshadow, I think I'm actually going to do a little bit lighter hand with that same color, just put a little bit less product because I think it was a little bit dark. But if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, stay tuned. Okay, I don't know if anyone cares anymore to see how I do like all of my foundation bronzer, since it's literally the same in all of the videos that I've done for my makeup, but since it doesn't take me very long anyways in the videos, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it in. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I know this is like really extra to put on two different primers, but I'm going to use the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer as well. I have like a little sample size of it. I'm also going to be doing her mother's eyeshadow, so I'm excited for that. Alright, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Full Coverage Foundation. And this is in F4.5. And now, Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in C3. And I will be filming a mukbang on this, with this look later, from a Nashville hot chicken place out here. And that'll probably be up before this makeup tutorial, so you guys should go check it out if you haven't seen it. Now I'm going to powder. I have a sample size of the Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. Next, I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I know I put a lot of bronzer on. I always do. Okay, I just wiped off the foundation off of my lips, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme in Tangerine Dream. This is just so I can have some lip plumping stuff on my lips. The color really doesn't even matter. Now I'm going to put on NYX Sweet Cheeks Matte Blush in the color Bang Bang. And we're gonna be outside in the cold for like the ceremony, and I'm hoping that there'll be like snow on the ground because that will be so pretty. Well, now I'm gonna be onto my eyes, so let me zoom you guys in a little bit. Now that you can see my eyeball better, I'm going to use Ulta Beauty Tinted Eye Primer. It's in, what color is this? champagne. Now, I've done this look previously, and I'm pretty sure that I filmed like a mukbang with it or something, but I don't remember exactly what product I used. So this is kind of winging it again, trying to see if I can remake a look that I've already remade. And I always like to do both eyes at the same time. I just feel like it helps me make them a little bit more symmetrical. Okay, I'm pretty sure that I used the Lorac Unzipped palette. It looks like this on the inside. And I'm pretty sure I used this on my outer, no, Unbridled on my outer corner. And then Unspoken to blend it a little bit more in the center. And then I want to say that I used Unreal, this one right here, on the innermost part of my eyeball. So let's try to do that. I'm going to start with the outer corner. I feel like this is darker than the look. I'm not sure. Just gonna blend these edges with a clean brush. Now that I have the whole top part done, I'm going to take this outer color and put it all underneath my lash line, my bottom lash line. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of Unconditional, this color right here, and blend that lower lash line out with it. For my inner corner, I'm going to be taking a little bit of this Ugly Sweater color in the Peppermint Frost, just the white part, and putting that in my inner corner of my eyes. Alright, got that waterline lined, so I'm going to use the Gimme Brow in shade 5 to do my brows. Next, I am going to put on the highlighter that I'm going to be using, and that will actually be in the Sleek Makeup palette. I'm going to mix those two in there. It's been my go-to highlighter since I've been doing my makeup recently, and I really like it. Now, I'm obviously going to have to bring a different setting spray. I have a sample size of the Urban Decay All Nighter spray, but since this is aerosol, I won't be able to bring it on a plane with me to Michigan. So this is the Morphe Jeffree Star in the Starberry scent. Now I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes. I'm going using the It Cosmetics Superhero. I have a sample size on that. I get a lot of samples and free stuff just from purchasing things whenever there's deals and stuff. And then I'm also going to be putting on these lashes. These are probably not the lashes I'm going to be wearing the day of because I will be wearing something more natural, obviously. But for my mukbang, I wanted to wear something different. And that is the Naomi Monroe, her makeup brand. Let's see if this is the name. I hope so. Kaida. But they're super pretty. I'll show you them. Really dramatic, of course. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that off camera and then I'll be right back. You see what I mean by these will not be the lashes I wear the day of the wedding. I would probably wear the lashes Good Vibes by Boldface Lashes. Those are probably my go-to for any simple look. But these lashes I freaking love. They're huge. They were a little uncomfortable at first, but I cut off the little snippets at the edges. Normally I don't need to cut my lashes at all, but there were like a little bit of extra that had no lashes on there, so I snipped off those, and now my eyes are okay with them. And then some mascara on the bottom lashes as well. And then the last thing for my lips, I'm gonna wipe off the Too Faced Injection Extreme, and I'm gonna use the Meet Matte Hues from the Balm. It's in the shade Committed. I don't know if anybody else has noticed, my lips are actually lopsided, so I try, one side I have to slightly overline and the other is normal, just so I don't look funny. Alright, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me show you up close. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more random makeup looks, or if you like mukbangs, or even just other things that I do on my channel. I hope to see you again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!